Quick guide to unlocking zombie maps faster.
Hello, zombie slayers. Have you ever wondered if there's a way to unlock the zombie maps faster in your favorite game? Today, we're going to explore that. These tips and tricks should help you get to those new levels and experiences quickly. Let's jump right in.
Know your game well.
Understanding the basic game mechanics is crucial. Be sure to master the core gameplay. Learn how to maximize your points, know when to pack a punch your weapons, and become efficient at taking down zombies. Every little efficiency in your gameplay can speed up your progression.
Completing challenges and tasks.
Most games with zombie maps will often provide challenges and tasks for players to complete. These might involve killing a certain number of zombies, surviving for a number of rounds, or performing specific tasks within a game. Always strive to complete these challenges, as they usually provide significant rewards that help to unlock maps faster.
Team up.
Going at it alone can be tough, so why not team up? In many games, joining forces with friends or other players can lead to increased survival rates and faster progression. More players usually mean more firepower and a greater chance of surviving the zombie hordes, which can help you unlock maps at a quicker pace.
Spend points wisely.
In-game points are a valuable resource. Accumulate and spend your points wisely. Often, it's better to invest in upgrades and new weapons rather than squandering points on temporary power-ups. This strategic approach to resource allocation will help you stay alive longer and progress more rapidly. And there you have it, folks. Some handy tips and tricks to help you unlock those zombie maps faster. Remember, it's all about understanding your game, completing challenges, teaming up for survival, and using your points effectively. Now, go forth and conquer those zombie hordes. Hope you found this video useful, and as always, happy gaming!